Behind me is my favorite KB floor plan, just over 3,000 square feet, and you can purchase this house for just under 600,000. Let's take a look. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Today is November 8, 2025, and today we're here at Reserves at Caspian Bay by KB Homes. Now, just to give you an idea of where we're located, we're here all the way in the southeast corner of Las Vegas. The nearest cross streets is going to be Boulder Highway and Horizon, okay? So we're pretty close to Lake Mead. We're pretty close to Boulder Highway. We're about 25-minute drive, no traffic to the airport, and about 25-30 minutes away from the strip. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 5 different floor plans here. Now, the first floor plans that you're seeing, they range from 1644 all the way up to 2242. Those are all going to be single-story floor plans. The only 2-story floor plan is going to be that large one, 3,066 square feet, okay? As far as the base prices go, they're going to range all the way from $427,990 all the way up to $541,790. Now, when you're looking at base price, just know that if you're trying to figure out your total price, you have to take your base price, you have to add the lot premium, and you have to have your upgrades, okay? So the lot premiums here are going to range from about $11,000 to $90,000, okay? $90,000 is going to be for their massive lots. I would say the majority of the lot premiums here are going to be from about $11,000 to $30,000, okay? Now, as far as options is concerned, I would think most buyers are putting in about 10% of the base price in options, okay? So that's how you figure out your total price. You got your base price plus your lot premium plus your upgrades. As far as the lot square footage, most of these lots are going to be on 4,890 square feet lots. They're going to range from the 4,890 to about 5,500. They have a few selected lots here that are going to be about 10,000 square feet. So not too many of those, but those ones are obviously going to be the command like the higher lot premiums, okay? Altogether, there's about 72 homes in this specific community, the Reserves at Caspian Bay. And then we have the HOA fees. HOA fees are pretty minimal, which is great. It's only going to be $70 a month. Oh, one last thing. The way KB operates is they do have a few quick move-in homes here, but usually most of their buyers are actually picking their lots, picking their floor plans, and choosing other options. So that's what KB normally focuses on. And yeah, that's all I got for you. Let's get started with the tour. Welcome everyone to the 3,066 floor plan. This is going to be a 2-story home, 4 to 5 bedrooms, 2.5 to 5 bath, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $539,990. You have 3 different elevations you could choose from if you're building from ground up: elevation A, B, and E. Depending what your elevation is, that will determine your base price. Now, the elevation is just how the exterior looks. So some exteriors are going to have more brick. Some actually, the elevation will also determine some of the window placements might change as well, but the paver driveway is included. Desert landscaping is included as well. Yeah, this is my favorite KB floor plan. So super excited to show you guys if you haven't seen this model here. Okay, really nice. Looks like it has this little courtyard area. Okay, so welcome in. So right as you walk in, you're gonna have a really nice entryway because you're gonna have that really high ceilings. Also to the right, you have the upgraded stair rails, which is beautiful. Let's take a look over here. You're gonna have a coat closet. You even got some extra storage space, as you can see. Kind of goes further back a little bit. Okay, so right over here, you're gonna have your powder room. So you'll have your toilet, your pedestal sink. And then right here, you do have a linen closet. So welcome in, guys. I love this, absolutely. It's just very open, okay? So dining room, living room, and kitchen. Now, a couple of upgrades that I will mention right now that you are seeing here is you do have the upgraded 9-foot ceilings. That's an upgrade I would highly recommend if it fits the budget, just because when we look at everything from a resale perspective, it's definitely going to add value. Also, too, the flooring is upgraded. They went with this vinyl plank all throughout the first floor. I think they just kept the carpet in the bedroom down here. But usually what's standard is you're gonna have carpet all throughout the house, and then tile in all the wet areas. So like the bathrooms, the kitchen, laundry room, and the entryway. Yeah, plenty of space. This house is great for entertaining, as you can see. So I'll take you over here to the kitchen. So we do have upgraded cabinets, hardware. This kitchen island as well. As you can see, it's also a waterfall island that is upgraded. Now, as far as the appliances is concerned, KB does not include the refrigerator, washer, and dryer, but you will have like the oven stovetop, microwave, and the dishwasher. Okay. They did a really nice backsplash. You also have your pantry right here. Okay, so this house, they went with a gourmet kitchen package. So this is an upgrade feature, as well as you'll see the built-in cooktop. And this microwave is an option as well. But yeah, I love that there's definitely a lot of space right here. Also, another upgrade, this island it's not as big for standard, but if you want to upgrade it, you could upgrade it to the size that you see right here. Okay. You also have the Whirlpool dishwasher. This will come standard. Okay, optional kitchen sink right here. I personally like the single basin sink the most, but people have, you know, different preferences. Okay. Again, because we have the gourmet kitchen package with the built-in cooktop, you're gonna have the built-in ovens as well. Something that's also optional is having these upper cabinets as well. Okay. So yeah, we'll take a look in the backyard. Now, again, most of the lot square feet in the backyards, they're gonna be about, so the average lot square feet is going to be about 4,890. 4,890, it's going to range to about 5,500. They do have a few really large lots here, though. They have some that are like 10,000, not that many. Some that are like 10,000. But you know, obviously with the larger lot, you're going to have a higher lot premium. So when you move in, this is all going to be a dirt lot, and then the HOA will give you about 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. Okay, so usually the way that process looks is once you move in, there's a document, a paperwork. It's called an ARC application, ARC. Pretty much have to fill that out. You're going to need a design of your backyard, and you submit that to the HOA. If you're working with landscapers, they could definitely make that design for you. But yeah, it usually has to be completed within 6 months to like a year. Just really depends on the HOA. I don't think they're too strict over here. Okay, so we'll take a look at this bedroom right here. So that's going to be the door to the garage, but that is a sales office. So you have this nice little area here. And then you have a bedroom. Okay, so this is an upgrade option. If you didn't want to go with this option, it would be a den. Okay, so this bedroom is going to have a full bath. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your shower tub. The shower tub that you see here is standard. If you're looking to save some money, you could just keep the standard shower tub combo. A lot of people do that. All right, let's head up to the second floor. Now guys, if you are watching this video and you are interested in previewing new construction homes, you're thinking about going to a community for your very first time, do me a huge favor. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Now, if you have a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. You definitely want to have representation. Otherwise, if you go in there by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask you for your information. They're going to log you in the system as having no representation. Now, the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So, it's definitely important to get yourself some representation. Our job is to get you the best deal, walk you through the process, and hold the builders accountable. And if you're worried about paying like realtor fees, don't be, because I have never charged any of my buyers. We collect it on the other end. So, my clients are interested in resale homes, I get it from the seller, or if they buy a new construction, we get it from the builder. Okay, so real quick. So you have your big loft right here. This is going to be your primary bedroom. Now this hallway is going to be where all your guest bedrooms are, okay? So this is going to be your full bath. You'll have the dual sinks. You guys are looking to save some money. This is the included quartz countertop in the bathroom. You could definitely stick with that, which is a great option. So we have these undermount sinks. We have the upgraded faucets here. Okay, upgraded flooring. This is going to be the standard toilet, standard shower tub. We do have upgraded fixtures. So right over here, you're going to have your laundry room. Now again, washer and dryer is not included, but you could definitely, if you want to add that when you're building your house, you could definitely put that, add that. So that way you'll have it when you move in. So we also have the attic access up above. You also have your smart panel box right over here. On this hallway, you're gonna have 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. Okay, so you guys are ready. Remember, we have a bedroom downstairs. We have 3 bedrooms here, and then we have the primary bedroom. So that's 5 bedrooms. So this is gonna be 1 guest room. Okay, now remember, these bedrooms, when you buy the house, there's going to be no lights up top. There's going to be pretty much nothing here, right? What I've noticed most buyers are doing is they're just adding the pre-wire for the ceiling fan in all bedrooms, so that way they could have like a ceiling fan and a light. It's pretty common. Okay, so this bedroom has a walk-in closet. So you can see we're still early in the community, so they're still building a lot of homes here. Right, so this is guest bedroom number 2. Oh, this is also nice too, because this one has a walk-in closet. Now also too, the second floor has 8-foot ceilings. Unfortunately, there's no upgrade, like you can't make it 9-foot ceilings. So on the second floor, you're just gonna have 8-foot ceilings. Every room is gonna have this. It's called a transfer grill, so it helps regulate the airflow in the house. Okay, and it prevents doors from slamming if like the window's open. You're gonna have a smoke detector in every room. Now in the hallways, you're gonna have a smoke slash CO2 detector. You have the thermostat to control the temperature upstairs. Okay, you're gonna have your linen closet. This is gonna be the bedroom. Okay, so this one actually has a pretty large walk-in closet. So welcome to the primary bedroom. Wow, plenty of space here. As you can see, they even put in like 2 couches. So you got your TV set up. Plenty of room. So it looks like all these lights were added in. We also have the ceiling fan as well. Here, I'll let you guys take a look at the view out here. Okay, so we're here like in the southeast side of town. We definitely have this new construction home, but there's a lot of like older homes in the area. We're pretty close to, like, if you're trying to head towards Boulder City or you're trying to get to the Hoover Dam. So we're on like that side of town. Wow, look at this massive walk-in closet. Okay, plenty of space. And then welcome to your primary bath. So a couple of different bathroom configurations you can do. This is an upgrade. Usually the standard option is going to be like a shower tub combo, or if you want, you could do the larger walk-in shower with the tub, or if you want, you could do the larger walk-in shower with it's like the walk-in shower spa type configuration. Okay, so you're always going to get dual sinks here. All right, guys, but yeah, that's it for the plan 3066. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.